I was a CPA for almost 20 years. I could make financial strategies and spreadsheets just sing. But over the years, I realized something was missing. Early in my career, I noticed that clients that had the right numbers were still feeling stressed, still stuck, and still making choices that didn't feel like them. Their numbers were all right, but the life behind it, it wasn't. And that's how the frameworks were born. Not a financial theory, but from watching people struggle, even though they had the correct financial plans in place. That's why Whole Soul Finance exists. That's what the Alignment Intensive is all about.